To verify the law of combination, series of resistances using a meter bridge. If two or more than two resistors, say R1, R2, R3, are connected in series, then their resultant resistance Rs is equal to the sum of individual resistances connected in series. That is, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus.
Madam, how can we verify the law of combination series of resistances using a meter bridge?
The value of unknown resistance S can be determined using meter bridge by the formula S is equal to 100 minus L by L into R, where R is the resistance introduced in known arm by the resistance box and L is the length of meter bridge wire from zero end to the balance point, for which galvanometer shows no deflection. Let's do an experiment to verify the law of combination series of resistances using a meter bridge. Our aim here is to verify the law of combination series of resistances using a meter bridge. Apparatus required are a meter bridge, a Leclanché cell or battery eliminator, a galvanometer, a resistance box, a one-way key, a jockey, two resistance wires or two resistance coils, a set square, sandpaper and connecting wires. Procedure: draw the circuit diagram. Make connections with one resistance coil on wire R1 in the right cap of the meter bridge and resistance box in the left cap. Find the value of resistance R1. Replace the resistance coil on wire R1 with resistance coil on wire R2 and repeat the same steps to find the value of resistance R2. Now connect the resistance coils R1 and R2 in series in the right cap of the meter bridge and find the resistance of the series combination R2. Record all observations in a tabular form. Observation: Table for determination of resistance. Resistance coil, serial number, resistance from resistance box R, ohm, length AB is equal to L, centimeter, length BC is equal to 100 minus L, centimeter, resistance R is equal to 100 minus L by L into R, ohm, mean resistance, ohm, R1, R2, R1 and R2 in series. Result: within limits of experimental error, experimental and theoretical values of resistance of series combination of resistance coils Rs are same. Hence, law of resistors in series is verified. Precautions: remove insulation from the ends of the connecting wires using a sandpaper. All the connections should be neat, clean and tight. All the plugs in the resistance box should be tight. The plug-in key should be inserted only when the observations are to be taken and remove the plug as soon as one observation is completed. Move the jockey gently over the wire of the meter bridge. Null point on meter bridge wire should be obtained between 40 to 60 centimeter. Keep the connecting wires straight to avoid induction effect. Sources of error: the connections may not be clean and tight. All the plugs in the resistance box may not be tight. Resistance of the coil on wire may change due to heating of wires. The wire may not be of uniform thickness.
Thank you, ma'am, for this knowledgeable experiment.